Hey guys, a couple of weeks ago I made a video on how I regrew some store-bought leek using Kratky hydroponic system, and I want to show you the result. So I kept one of the leek in just plain water and the other one in the Kratky system, of course. So here we go. This is the leek that I kept in pure water. And as you can see, it grew. It did grow. It looks a little bit thin, and it's starting to seed right here. So because, yeah, the plant is a bit stressed, so it's going to go over to seed, to propagate before it dies, which is natural, it's how plants behave. So I'm going to show you the one I grew in the Kratky system now. And here's this bad boy. Look at how beautiful it is. Thick. And the roots are coming out, touching the water. So this one is totally ready for harvesting. So if you want to regrow your store-bought leek or spring onions or anything like that, I would highly recommend doing it using a Kratky system as opposed to either pure water or even in soil. This is just awesome. It just totally works. You just have to have the right balance, nutrient balance, and your leek and your spring onions and other store-bought things will grow like really, really well. Look at the root system in there. Look at the root system in there. This is totally healthy. This is going to give me at least another 2 harvests before it goes. Okay, thanks for watching. It was a short one today. I'll put a link to the video where I built this system in the description. So if you want to watch that video, just look in the description below. You'll find that. And again, if you like the video, hit the like button. You want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and we'll go on. Keep on microsteading. Cheers.